In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language settings on Vestiaire Collective. Whether you're a fashion lover from around the world or you just want to browse in a different language, knowing how to adjust these settings can make your experience more personal and user-friendly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Vestiaire Collective. Once you have the results on your screen, select the first option. This will take you straight to the homepage of Vestiaire Collective, a leading online marketplace for pre-loved luxury fashion. Next, look for the Sign In button, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on it to bring up the login screen. Here you'll need to log in with your account. Enter your credentials and sign in for a personalized browsing experience. If you don't have an account yet, consider creating one to get the most out of what Vestiaire Collective has to offer. Once you're signed in, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. This might take a moment, so be patient as listings and images load. Upon reaching the bottom, you should be able to see a section on the bottom left corner showing your current country and language settings. This is your starting point for making changes. Click on this option and you'll see more detailed information and options related to your current settings. Now, click on the language. This option is usually clearly marked, making it easy to spot. A list will appear with the available languages for you to choose from. Have a look through the options and select the new language that you'd prefer. This is particularly helpful if you're multilingual or looking to practice a different language while shopping. After selecting your preferred language, you'll see an option to save your changes. Look for the Save button, often highlighted to stand out on the page. Clicking it will ensure that your new language preferences are stored. Once saved, the website will refresh, and you'll notice that all your content is now displayed in the selected language. Congratulations! You've now successfully changed your language settings on Vestiaire Collective. Navigating the platform in your chosen language will hopefully enhance your experience and make shopping more enjoyable. Remember, you can revisit these settings anytime you wish to switch languages again. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes your online shopping sessions even more seamless. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.